Come on. Kaz, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Good job. Good job. No, down, 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 down. No, down. No, down. I want you down. Sit. Sit. Stay. Wait. Behave. No. Behave. Behave. No. Come on. Come on. Come here. Sit. No. No. Sit. Sit. Sit down. No. Say the signs. When I use this sign, no climbing. When I use this sign, he will make sure he sit down. Come here. Kaz, come on. Down. Come on. Down. Down. No. Kaz, behave. Behave. Down. No. Come on. 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 Good job. So, no. Sit. So, my dog, like here, right now, I have my leash up here. So, I will need to hold it somewhere like this end. As I told you before, when you hold your leash up here, this is called a leash. When you hold your leash up here, you are giving the whole freedom to your dog. So when I'm moving, my dog is able to go everywhere. So he's even ahead of me. See, when I'm moving, my dog is in front, and I don't want my dog to be in front, because while walking, there are so many people in the street you are walking with, and those people need to know, maybe those people might be with a problem of allergic problems, you know, when someone is allergic, has some, like when a dog touches him or tries to lick on his skin, someone might get a disease. So in order to not that thing happen on anyone, you need to hold your dog this end, so you are with your dog while walking. Remember the chopping the neck, moving, and so I need to make sure he's chopped. So my dog, so that I shouldn't, you see, like I'm pulling in order to turn. So there's a way I need my dog to turn while I'm walking without pulling. So without pulling, stay close. So when I say stay close, my dog have to be staying close me while I'm walking. Come on, turn around. Come on, stay close. Remember the chop, stay close. So let's see if my dog can understand some few basics. So I'm going to tell my dog to stay. I'm going to tell my dog to stay where he is right now. Actually, his name is OBE. OBE, you good? High five. No, high five. No, he doesn't know that trick. I've not yet taught him that trick. Stay. Okay, OBE, stay. I want you to stay. Stay. OBE, stay. All right, come on. Good job, good boy. So, and we have to go. No, stay close. Come on. So I will need to hold. These are treats. With my treats, sit. With my treats. So when my dog does something well, something nice, I'll need to reward him with something. Lie down. Lie down. Obey. Lie down. I want you to lie down. Lie down. No. Lie down. Good job. Focus. Stay. Good job. Obey. Up. Up. Up here. Good job. Good job. Lie down. Lie down. Obey. Focus. So the focus thing, you need to make sure. No. No. Obey. Come here. Remember the snap. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. I want you to wait. Wait. So remember the focus thing. When you are telling your dog to focus, you need to make sure he's in eye contact with you. See? The snap. So before you give your dog any command, maybe to sit, maybe to stand up, you need to make sure he's understanding the snap so that his attention is on you. Okay, stay. I want you to stay. So this time I'm going to say a command without saying, but using body language. My body language, I will have to make sure when you do like this, means coming. So I will see if my dog understand any body language when maybe I cannot talk, maybe I'm a deaf, I can't talk. So let's see if my dog understands the sign. So this time I won't say anything. I will use the snap. So this time I will use the snap and my palm hand. So no. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come here. No, sit, sit, sit. Come on, come on. I use the snap. Come on. So I'm going to use this command without calling him, without using the command come, but with my signs, my body language. See, with my body language.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. No, 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 no. This way. This way. Sit. 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 Stay. No. Sit. Stay. Stay. Wait. Wait. Sit. Sit. Wait. Wait. No, no, no. Wait. Come on. Come on. Sit. Stay. Focus. Focus. Stay. 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 Wait. Stay. 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 Focus. Stay. Stay. Wait. Wait. No. No. Down. Down. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Stay. 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 Wait. Stay. 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 Wait. Stay. Pay attention. No. Focus. Focus. No. No. Behave. 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 So with this hand, when I want my dog to behave, I do like this. Behave. Stay. No. No. Stay. Stay. Focus. Wait. Munchunga no. Wait. Then. Down. Mafasha.
I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I'm tired you first. I'll write a second third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did. I know it hurts.
It wasn't. Okay. Come on, Kaz, come on, come on, come on, come on, come here, come here. Good job, good job, good job. No, down, 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 no, down, no, down. I want you down. Sit, sit, stay, wait, behave. No. Behave. Behave. No. Come on. Come on. Come here. Sit. No. No. Sit. Sit. Sit down. No. See the signs. When I use this sign, no climbing. When I use this sign, he will make sure he sit down. Come here. Kaz, come on. Down. Come on. Down, down, no, Kaz, behave, down, no, I want you down, Kaz, down, no, focus, down, Kaz, no, down, no, Kaz, stop it, come here, come on. Down, sit, no. Okay, down. Good job. Come on. 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 Good job. So, no. Sit. Come on. Down, Kaz. Down. Down. No. Up here. Up here. Come on. Come on. Come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hold it. Good job. Hey. Come on. Now go for it. Now go for it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Goma zahitamo keza yafashe neza. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sit. 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 No, sit. 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 I want you to sit. Sit. No. Down. Wait. Wait. Come on. Come on. Come on.
ariko kongo yo abantu bari gukamera bari gukora mu boma bo basuguma hamwe ntabwo bakora mu boma ngo nawe dore ngiye nkubona ngumye hamwe nafasha amashusho meza cyane ntari kubiruka dore
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Kaz. Come on. Come on, come here. Yeah, Andy. Come on. Come on, come on. Noneho mugiye kumfata nsa nk'ujya kuzibikamo hariya. Muri ka kazi kazi. So. Mugafata ako kantu. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, please.